Dear students, today we are going to learn an informative lesson: Big Data, Big Insights. Big data is a collection of information on internet which is growing rapidly. Nowadays, our lifestyle has been affected by data. In this video lecture, you will learn new words from the lesson. What is big data and uses of big data? Let's get started. New words from the lesson. Data means a collection of facts that is stored and shared in computers. Or we may say data is digital information. Insight, an accurate and deep understanding of something. Petabyte is a measure of data. Remember, 1 petabyte PB is equal to 1024 TB, that is terabyte, or 1 petabyte is equal to 1 million GB, that is gigabyte. Exabyte is also a measure of data. 1 exabyte EB is equal to 1024 PB. GPS means geographical positioning system. Missed transactions means wrong transactions. Archival means valuable records. Algorithm means a set of steps to process data. Demographics means statistical data relating to human population. Genie means a magic spirit believed to take human form and serve the person who calls it. Now, come to the topic. What is data? Data is a collection of facts such as numbers, words, images, or information that's stored in a computer. Our smartphone is also a type of computer. What is big data? Data has affected our lifestyle. Do you know what happens when we share a post on WhatsApp, visit any website, demand online articles, or watch videos? Whatever we do online is recorded, monitored, and analyzed. So, a huge amount of data is collected. This data is called big data. Data is becoming bigger and bigger. Big data analysis is a complex process. Many industries and companies use this data to understand market trends, customer preferences, hidden patterns, and unknown correlations. Such a huge data can be used in all walks of life. Let's learn the uses of big data. This lesson tells us about the methods of collection of data and the advantages of big data in various fields. I have prepared a mind map on the uses of big data. Now see the given mind map. Uses of big data: location tracking, understanding the weather patterns, healthcare industry, banking, finance and trading, sports, advertising, entertainment and media, education industry. Now we will learn all these uses of big data one by one. Location tracking. Big data is used to track any location. GPS and Google Maps make use of big data. We also get real time data about traffic. It is useful to plan travel time and to decide the route of journey. Second point is understanding the weather patterns. There are weather sensors and satellites set up all around the world. Big data is helpful in weather forecasting. We get warnings of natural calamities like floods, storms, tsunami, etc. We also get information about natural resources. Big data is very useful in healthcare industry. Today we see that people have become health conscious. There are many health apps in our phones. They collect information about our body. They detect our heart rate, monitor the patient's sleep pattern, and keep a record of our exercise, distance walked, etc. The analysis of this data collected can give new insights and provide a personalized individual feedback to each and every person. It is useful in the process of accurate diagnosis. It is useful to monitor epidemics. Big data is useful to pharmaceutical companies. It is useful to promote research in medical field, banking, finance and trading. Big data provides information about the investment patterns of people. Banking and finance companies provide suitable plans by studying big data. Big data is also useful to predict cyber crimes. Big data is used to make trading decisions. Big data is useful to all indoor and outdoor games. A sport person studies his or her performance as well as performance of the other players. It helps the players to improve their performance. Video analytics help them to understand every performance minutely. Players may get quality coaching. Now, in this way, big data is used in sports activities. The next point is advertising. Advertisers use big data very effectively. Online giants like Facebook, Google, Twitter study the user behavior for target based advertisement. The next point is entertainment and media. Entertainment industry uses big data very effectively. The content is shown to the users by studying their online behavior. Viewers database is used to show different ads. Big data has influenced education industry too. It provides information about every student. We understand strengths and weaknesses of the learners by studying big data. Big data provides career guidance. Big data helps educational institutes to work more effectively. In this way, we saw what is data and uses of data. Now, the last part is conclusion. There are innumerable uses of big data. Big data is really big. It is also helpful in scientific researchers to understand geographical phenomena, to decide government policies, etc. Big data is like a genie in our hands. We must use it for the benefit of mankind. Dear students, read the lesson carefully and do the brainstorming activities given in the textbook. Watch my another video on brainstorming activities. For more videos, subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.